Today we'll be learning about how to lock Instagram app on Android without any app locker. For that you need to head into the settings on your mobile device. Once you're on the settings, scroll down and tap on privacy option. Now again tap on privacy at the right hand side of the screen, and under privacy protection tap on app lock. So here, due to privacy policy, you might not be able to see the screen. So here you need to enter your privacy password to get inside it. So once you enter your privacy password, you will be accessed on this section where the app lock has already been toggled on. If it is toggled off in this way, then you need to tap on app lock and enable it. Here you need to search the Instagram application and toggle on the app lock. So let's come back from here. If you want to check if the app lock worked or not, then you need to open the Instagram application, and here you can either enter the privacy password or you can verify with fingerprint. So here you go guys, the lock has already been applied to the Instagram application. So in this way you can easily lock Instagram app on Android without any app locker. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.